guys, it's Ali and welcome back to my channel. And ngayon naka-voiceover lang tayo all throughout and this is the makeup look that I have. And ngayon pangiti-ngiti lang tayo kasi I recorded this for like a minute para to give myself a chance na ma-explain everything. So this is the look that I have for today and ginawa ko na yung mga makeup ko like after doing the eyeshadow. So when I get to you for the eyeshadow look, I am barefaced and like sobrang like my skin is the best. Cue sarcasm. Ayun nga, so I haven't uploaded that much nung April. Hindi ko lang alam, I wasn't in the mood, I guess. And now it's May, so I'm trying to get back on track. But anyways, ayun na nga. So if you guys wanna look, If you wanna get this look, just stay tuned and watch this and I hope you like it. Di ko sure kung anong ginagawa ko dyan. Pangiti-ngiti, para lang akong tanga dyan. Okay, sige na. Go! Let's go! I'll see you! Buyers! Hindi ko gets yung point bakit ako nag-buyers. Naka-voice over nga lang pala ako all throughout. But anyway, I'm just doing my transition here. I am using a shade from my... Oh my god, anong shade yun? So, I'm using the coral shade from my Juvia's Place mini palette. So, yun lang yun. So, binibuild up ko lang yung transition shade as per usual. My god, my skin, I cannot! Ang dami kong, like, small pimples sa forehead. Di ko alam bakit ako nag-breakout because siguro, I lack sleep most of the time. And then, dito, I'm putting a brownish red sa outer corner ng aking eyes to build an intense, kind of like smoky eye effect. Kasi yun yung mood ko at as of the moment nung araw na yan. And I'm laughing kasi nga I'm listening to like a funny podcast. It's not actually a podcast, but I was in a like spaces in Twitter. So, yeah. So, kinonsider ko na lang siyang podcast kasi nakikinig lang naman ako. I wasn't speaking anyway. Pero yun nga, I'm just gonna build this up, you guys. As per usual, alam nyo na yon. You know the drill, bebes. So, ayun, medyo tinataasan ko na yung paglagay ng eyeshadow para makita siya mabuti. And then, I'm gonna blend that para mas more, you know, diffused yung color as per usual. And then, naglagay na lang ako ng kilay kasi parang hindi ko masyadong ma-feel yung itsura. So, yan. Oh my god, my skin! Like, can you guys share like a good skincare? I mean, like, I have good naman, pero like, I guess gusto ko magpa-facial in a way. Ang dami sinabi ni ate mo, girl! Sir, can you like, shut? So, dito, I'm just intensifying the color and then, of course, I'm gonna blend it again. And then, right after that, I'm gonna put on a brown color on top of it para mas intense pa yung pagka-smoky eye right after this blending. So, ayun. I'm just going to put it right there as usual. This was supposed to be up last week, but like, wala lang talaga ako sa mood, lalo na mag-voice over nung time na yon. I don't know why. Pero yeah. So, ayun lang naman. Ano pang pwede natin i-topic today, mga sirs? Share. Wow, kala mo naman makukuha agad yung feedback nyo. Taray ng pa-feedback. Oh, wow! Kala mo naman. Anyway, so yan. Nalagyan ko lang ng brown. Diba? Saya mo, sir, no? Hindi ko na alam kung anong pwedeng i-topic. Like, ano pa ba? So, I have this crush. Wow. Crush ako na taga Thailand. Tapos may YouTube channel na siya. Follow him. Wow, I'll link it down below. Akala mo naman kilala ako ni kuya mo. Pero he's so cute. Obviously, artista siya, guys. Like, obviously. Ayan na, na-achieve ko na yung medyo pagka-intense niya. Medyo i-intensify ko pa siya ng kapiranggot para mas dark pa talaga siya ng bongga. And then, right after that, i-blend ko lang siya ng onte. And then, I'm gonna proceed sa lower. Not lower. Wait lang, nabusog ako. Oh my god, sorry. Ang kalat talaga. Pero anyway, nag-start na ako to put it on my all over the lid. So I use this glitter color. Oh my god, it's so pretty in person, guys. The camera doesn't justify the look talaga. I swear, if in person, sobrang ganda ng shade. So like, yeah. I used my fingers kasi nga it gives more opacity and like more pigment. Although it's glitter, pero like, I love it. I love yung look talaga pag in person. It's so different. So yun lang, ang dami ko sinabi. Pero like, yes. So yan. So, ayan, ibablend lang natin ng mabuti para walang harsh lines. And then, I'm gonna do my face makeup offline. And 1, 2, 3! Wow! Ayan, ginawa ko na rin pala yung aking eyeliner and my lashes. And then, I did my bronzer already. So, yeah. Kasi, you know the drill, guys. Alam niyo yung mga ginagamit ko. So, I think it's safe na okay lang na hindi ko i-film. Like, yung full-on makeup, it's gonna take a while. And, like, the editing will just be so short. Kaya, I felt like it wasn't needed already. Pero, like, let me know kung gusto niyo, like, yung full-on talaga na from the very start. So, you know, like, ginawa ko na siya one time. Pero, like, I felt like it's not necessary for me to do it anymore. Pero, yun. Just let me know, though, kung gusto niyo talaga. Ang dami kong thoughts, no? Pero yun, ayan, nagbablush na tayo mga sir. Yummers! And I have 2 cats on my bed, yes. Yes. Do you see that? That's Snowbell right there sa right. And then, si Miley yung nasa likod ko. And ayan, I'm gonna do my lower lashes na, the eyeshadow para pantay siya. And everything. And for the lips, I'm gonna proceed with my almost go-to, the, ano nga ba to? The Sunnies, yung Brunette, and then the red sauce. Hot sauce. Hot sauce yun, red sauce. So, ayan, medyo satisfied na ako. And of course, I'm gonna do my poses, you guys. Ayun, start na siya. Ayan, tinatry kong i-zoom in para makita niyo yung ganda niya in person. Pero it doesn't do it any justice talaga, guys. I cannot explain it. Oh my god. All in all, I really like this look. I love it nga. Oh, O, diba? O, yan. Tapos yan, nag-t-shirt. Nag-t-shirt lang ako kasi wala na ako sa mood magmagandang top. And that's for my baby boy. Siyempre, artista na naman siya. I'm just supporting the brand, you know. But anyways, I'm just pointing to the cat right there. Akala mo naman. Pero anyway, ayun na nga. I hope you guys like this video though. You know, ay hindi pa pala to outro. Pero anyways, ayan nga, bet na bet ko yung look na yan. It looks so smoky. It's something that I really want. And I feel like bagay talaga siya sa eyes ko. I feel like only, you know, feel like lang. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys soon. Bye! So, diba? Timing yon guys. As in, nasa isip ko yung script na yan. O, bye!